Hi, welcome back to Rainey Dewey's Art Spot. This video is another in the Sketchbook Masterpiece series. It's titled, Where Do You Start? A friend of mine suggested that I address this question, where do you start? So that's what a question I'm hoping to answer in this video. So where do you start? You start with an idea. If you're a beginner, you may not even know where to begin. You know, you have this idea that you want to paint or draw, and you don't know where to start. So where to start is where we are. We're in the sketchbook, we're practicing, we're getting to know subjects, and all of these components that we're drawing and sketching in our sketchbook later on can be put together into full paintings on good paper, and we'll try to do a true masterpiece with them later. But for now, we're going to practice. This video is kind of a milestone for me because I want to bring my art to the next level. In the past, I would have taken my reference photograph that I took. It's a little flock of sheep, and hold on a second, let me get it. So this is my photo reference. There was a farmer near this old place where I lived, and he had a flock of sheep over there. And the one, you know, they were cute anyway. Now, when I snapped the photo, I didn't pay attention to, you know, I'm not a photographer, I'm an artist, so I just snap the image and figure I can change things later. So as I get into this sketch, you're gonna see some of the issues that I encountered. And so, like I say, in the past, I would have taken one sheep, extracted it, ignored the rest, and I wanna bring this to the next level. So I want to do more complex subjects. A little flock of sheep in a landscape would be a lot more interesting than one in a landscape. So that's my goal here, just to get a little flock of sheep, get the values set, and that really is it. So I'm not going to take this sketch to the next level where I would really do a detailed drawing. I may at a later date do that. But for the purposes of this series, I am just going to do a little sketch, learn about placement, learn about their shape. They have, you know, learn about their roundness and their texture of their wool. And that's really just plain the goal. I wanted it to look like a flock of sheep. I think it does. Mission accomplished. I did do this sketch in my wet dry media sketchbook, so I might add color to it later. If you will need to spray fix your drawings because once I flip the page, the graphite will rub off on the back of the previous page. So you'll want to get some reworkable fixative that you do to gently spray in open air. You know, make sure it's ventilated, and that way your drawing won't be partially lost to the previous page. So let me get out of the way and let's get on with this drawing and see what happens.
Yeah. Here's to the good days, here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just wanna make it stop. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. We had a good run, don't say we didn't. I was your first love, and you were my first one. Cheers to all the memories, the venom and the remedies, yeah. Promise I won't forget, yeah. Maybe it's something in the water, yeah. Or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter, yeah. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. just as